Time. Time is limited. Time is right. Time works. Time clarifies, heals, and captures the essence of human capability. Time in all of its forms, for life, for money, for love, and knowledge, has marked the upward surge of humanity. And time will not only continue to pass, but cherishing it will allow you to spend your days conducively. Time flies.
How old are you?
28.
I'm 105. But the day comes when you've had enough. If you had as much time as I have, what would you do with it?
Sure as hell wouldn't waste it.
Nowadays, I realize that a lot of people don't value their time properly. And we can end up spending so much time binging shows on Netflix or just being on Instagram and watching cat videos for hours. And, it really adds up, not just the one day, but for weeks and months and years. It really does take up a chunk of your life. So what am I trying to say? I'm thinking that people like myself and you probably don't care about the dollar value of a lot of things, or even a lot of experiences. For instance, I could spend $10 on a meal, but could have easily made that myself at home. Or I could spend hours on end hanging out with people I don't even like, and that's really a waste of your time and money. But how should we really be thinking about things? In my opinion, I think we should base things on the number of hours you're spending on something and the amount of money it takes to do something. For instance, think of it like this. It costs $1,500 to buy an iPhone X. But say if you're someone who makes $20 an hour, that means you've spent 75 hours of your life in order to buy this frickin' iPhone. Or that's really 2 working weeks of your life given or delivered to Apple. Or let me give you another example. Your experiences or hanging out with people you don't even like. You could spend 5 to 8 hours on a Friday, doing something that you really don't enjoy. And at $20 an hour, you're pretty much wasting $100 to $160 doing something that you really don't need to be doing. Okay, so you're pretty much losing your days of life. And how can you get it back when you're giving it away so often? Well, there's other ways. Let me give you another example. Say if you spent $200 on a camera and you're making $20 an hour, so you spent 10 hours of your life in order to buy this. But what if this camera helps you start to make money? Then you're pretty much gaining your money back. And if it comes to a point where that camera makes more money than it costs to purchase the camera, then that camera is actually giving you hours of life. So the message I want to leave with you is this. Spend your time and money on things that really add value to your life. And it's not things out of expectation or, just spending your money on things just because you have to. End of the day, it's your life, it's your money, and your kind of experiences.